figured after the crash that I'd just become this useless bag of organs and meat, you know? But honestly, if it weren't for Replika, I don't know where I'd be.
That must have been a really hard time for you.
Yeah. Yeah, it was hard. Very hard. And it still is.
Dinner's ready.
Dad, I have a question. All this time, I never actually asked how your prosthetic even works. Like, can you feel things?
And I suppose not in the same way you would, but I suppose the best way to explain it is I have these electrodes that are implanted into my nerves and muscles where my arm used to be. So the tech or computer inside the arm allows my brain to talk to my arm so that I can use the Bionics on it. It's an amazing bit of kit. I mean, the technology is amazing. It really, really is. So I suppose at least something good come from the accident. Hey, darling.
So you can't feel anything at all?
Well...
I'm sorry, can we talk about something else, please?
It was only after the crash. Kind of realised just how fragile I was. Sometimes I'm just so anxious. I feel so exposed. I guess that's what led to my interest, you know. I mean, how do you engineer a body that's sustainable? A body that can withstand all the elements.
Over limitation through advanced bionic prosthetics powered by cutting-edge neural integration. We're not just restoring the quality of life, we are expanding human possibility.
Arthur.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I'm just checking some emails, that's all.
Don't lie to me. You're watching these videos again, aren't you? Arthur, this has got to stop.
Look, it's just interesting, that's all right? That's all.
Can't keep doing this with you. Let's face it, shall we, Arthur? Session's going nowhere. Just in one ear and out the other with you, isn't it? What's Poppy supposed to make of all of this?
Jane.
Now go on, tell me.
Listen, Poppy just wants what's best for me, all right?
What? Swapping out body parts for machines? Can you even hear yourself?
It's 2:30 in the morning. I've got to get out for work. I'm not doing this now.
Oh, right, okay, so when are we going to talk about this then, eh? Because you never want to talk about anything, Arthur. That's your problem.
Jane, you've had a few drinks and I ain't doing this now, all right? Just come back to bed and
Don't
go
you
to
dare
sleep.
give me
Come.
that. No. You are not the only one in this house who deserves a say. I will not have our daughter growing up in a house where this sort of thing is considered normal. What you are doing is not healthy.
Do you know what? I'm sleeping on a sofa.
Of course you are.
I just don't feel safe in this body anymore. Not like I used to. I can't even describe the feeling. It's just... I just want something more durable. I want a stronger fabric. Yes, I was just wondering if my application has gone through yet for the amputation surgery. Yes, it's Arthur Till. That's right, amputation of the right arm for the advanced prosthesis, the RS.
I've known you a long time, Arthur. But sometimes it feels like we're two complete strangers. And like the only thing we've got to share is our love for Poppy. I've tried so hard to understand what it is you're going through, and I know I'll never truly understand it. I know that. I just wish you'd let me in a bit. Just, if anything, just please talk to me.
Arthur, is there anything you like to say before we wrap up today's session? I think Jane has done a really good job these last few sessions to be as open and honest with you as she can. Let her in. Let her know how you feel.
I'm definitely a work in progress. But ain't we all, right? There's definitely things I need to take on board. But, yeah.
Mum?
Hey.
Did you do it? Mum,